Hey guys, General Mechanic right here. Another quick video. In this video, I would like to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor. This is a 2000 Toyota Camry, and the problem with this one is it's only blowing on high speed. No, no fan working on low, first or second speeds, only in high speed. And so we got this car, and we are gonna replace it. I done got a new one right there, as you can see it. Tools we're gonna need. It's I got right here a 1/4 drive ratchet with a 1/4 socket, and I got a Phillips bit right here that I'm gonna fit into the 1/4 drive socket. You can get a drill bit adapter for a ratchet. That will work even better because you're not gonna have the problem with this one slipping out. So this is what we're gonna do. And if you look under the glove compartment, you're gonna come down and you're gonna see this plastic part. This plastic part needs to come off, and it's a really easy one to get off. All you gotta do is stick your finger on there and pop it down. Only has two little things that pops in there, and then you just pull it down. Take a quick look right there. That's the blower motor resistor. There's only one plug going around here. This is the wire harness, and you gotta press that little tab right there in order to remove the plug. It's a little hard, but I'll unplug it in a second. And if you pay attention, why do we need a little ratchet with the Phillips bit? Is because you cannot use a screwdriver. Those bolts are so tight down there that you will not be able to stick a screwdriver under that. And there's one, and if you come to the other side, there's the other one. Two Phillips little screws, and we just gotta get them out. I'm gonna try to get this done, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so we just got done taking the other screw. Always start with the hard one. That's the hardest one. I always like to do the hard part first, and then we just come to the easy one. Once you take these two little screws out, you'll be able to remove the resistor. You can tell really good signs of being bad. Really rusty. So easy process. So we just gotta stick the new one in there. Remember the position that came in. Now the plug is gotta be facing out, so we just gotta stick it in like that, and try to put the other little screw on there, and we should be done. It's gonna be a simple process to do. So we're just gonna stick them two little screws on there and see how it goes. Okay guys, so we just got it in there. You see them two little screws already tight. Just gonna go ahead and slide the plug into it. It's got a little greasy looking grease on the electrical grease, I believe. And you see, go ahead and slide the plug in there until you hear the click. And you see this thing right here, this little hole? That's where the plastic goes into first. There's a little thing sticking out on the plastic. You gotta slide that in there. If not, just gonna be bouncing down. So we're just gonna go ahead and install the last piece of plastic and be done with it. Alright, so we're just gonna get this the right way. You see this little part right here? That's the one that's gonna be sticking in that little hole I showed you. And we're gonna go ahead and do it like that. Alright, once that thing is in place, you're gonna be able to see that these little tabs, there's no way you can miss that. And I'm just gonna pop them in place. There we go. There's 2 of them, and that's it. That piece of plastic is done, and we just got done with our job. Do you wanna see if it really did the work? Let's turn the key on. Alright, let's see, do we have power? Yes, we got power. Alright. Let's listen to it. First speed, second speed, third speed, fourth speed. So that was the solution to our problem. And again, thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please give a thumbs up, share it, and of course subscribe for more. And as always, have a blessed day.